Need a professional gas fitter in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialise in expert gas fitting services to keep your home or business safe and up to code. Our licensed technicians handle everything from gas line installations and leak detection to system repairs, ensuring efficient and compliant solutions. Whether you're upgrading appliances or dealing with an emergency, we provide fast, affordable and reliable service tailored to your needs. In Edmonton, unpredictable weather and aging infrastructure can put extra strain on gas systems. That's why our team is committed to providing prompt service and expert solutions to keep your system running safely and efficiently. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for professional gas fitting, backed by experience, reliability, and a dedication to safety. Call us today or visit our website to book your service today.